Hi lovers, I made Ofada sauce for the very first time, and this is the most easiest recipe you find on this page and very mouth-watering too. Please watch the end of the video to know how I made this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. Since we're making Ofada sauce, we'll be making use of beef. We don't need chicken. But if you want to use chicken, I don't know, but beef is the best to go with. So in my well-washed pot, I added my beef, my Ponmo, and my intestine. Guys, to make this particular delicacy here, you need a lot of rish in my language. If you know, you know. And since this is a local delicacy, you don't need a lot of spices. Just go in with your maggi, your salt, and your beef spice or your purple seasoning. You are good to go. I blended my red pepper and added to my meat stock because I love the taste and aroma it gives to my meat stock. Then I cover to cook. Now guys, this is the first time of the show. Green peppers, guys. I was not opportune to get plenty of green peppers, so I made use of what I have. Now when your meat is tender, you add in your well-washed fish to this. Cook it for some seconds, then remove it from your pot so that you wouldn't scatter. Now the next thing to do is to chop our peppers. Guys, don't need to blend this. No, we don't need that consistency. If you have a chopper, you can make use of your chopper, but me, I made use of my yam pounder because it will give me the same rough texture that I wanted. I just removed my fish from my meat because it's ready. Then I added my oil to my pot and bleached it. Guys, this is the second style of the show. Ofada sauce is all about you bleaching your oil. When you're done bleaching your oil, you go in with your chopped onion, saute it for a bit, then you add your Locust zero, fry it for some minutes, then go in with your chopped pepper, guys. Then after you adding it, you fry it. Guys, when you get to this stage and you find that your oil will not be able to fry your peppers very well, all you have to do is to add a little bit of groundnut oil, or if you have strength you can bleach another oil, but groundnut oil serves the same purpose, guys. The next thing to do is to add in your banla fish, but if you have catfish or any fish of your choice, this is the time to add it. Add your crayfish, adjust your seasoning, your salt and your maggi. When this is very okay, just fry it for a bit, cover it to cook. Then some minutes you come in with your meat stock. You add your meat stock to this, tie it for a while. I noticed that my sauce is too thick, so I just added water to loosen it a bit. After adding the water, the next thing I'll go in is my boiled egg. I made use of 3 eggs, guys, but if you're a lover of egg, you can make use of as much as you want. You stir this for a bit, then cover it to cook a little. Then you add back your fish, your boiled fish to this. Then allow everything, stir everything together and allow it to marry each other for the ingredients to understand each other. Then you cover to cook. This is the most easiest meal I've made in a while. Like in less than 30 minutes, you have made yourself a mouth-watering, tasty Ofada sauce. This authentic delicacy is perfect for any occasion and you can pair it with anything, be it rice, yam, plantain or swallow. It's quick, it's easy and it's packed with flavor, so why not a trial? Thanks for watching and I hope you do like this. I'll be regretting this easy Ofada sauce. If you do have your Nigerian favorite dish, let me know in the comment section. And if you're looking for a more delicious recipe, please do check out our other videos. For more inspiration, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, please, to help this small brand grow. Bye, see you in my next video.